Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to lock fillable fields in PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is incredibly useful when you want to protect certain fields in your form from being edited while still allowing other areas to remain fillable. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're signed in, navigate to Recent Files and select the PDF file where you want to lock the fillable fields. This will open your document and prepare it for editing. Now look at the upper left toolbar and click on All Tools. This opens up a comprehensive menu of all the features available in Adobe Acrobat. From here, you'll need to access the form editing capabilities. In the left panel, click on View More. This expands the list of tools available to you. Scroll down through the options until you find Prepare a Form and click on it. This tool is specifically designed for working with fillable PDF forms, allowing you to edit, create, and manage form fields. Once you're in the form preparation mode, locate the text field you want to lock. Right-click on that specific text field, and from the menu that appears, select Properties. This opens a dialog box where you can modify various settings for that field. Click on the General tab at the top of the Properties window. This tab contains the basic settings for your form field. Navigate down to the option labeled Read Only and check the box beside it. This action prevents anyone from typing or making changes to that particular field. Once you've checked the box, click Close to apply your changes. Now, if you want to lock multiple text fields at once rather than doing them one by one, there's a faster method. Highlight all the text fields you want to lock by clicking and dragging across them or holding down Control or Command while clicking each field, then right-click and select Properties. Under the General tab, navigate to Read Only and check the box beside it, just like you did before. This will apply the Read Only setting to all the selected fields simultaneously. Click Close to confirm these changes. Before finalizing everything, it's always a good idea to test your work. In the bottom left corner, click Preview. This allows you to see how the form will behave for anyone who opens it. Start typing in the text fields to test if they're properly locked. If you've done everything correctly, you shouldn't be able to type in the locked fields. Once you're satisfied with your testing, click Exit Preview in the upper right corner. This returns you to the editing mode. Finally, make sure to save your changes by clicking the Save button in the upper right. Your PDF now has protected fields that cannot be edited while keeping other fields fillable. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.